Premium Diaper Baby Shattaf Personal Hygiene by Diaper is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. The power of a bidet. Bidets have been around for hundreds of years. Once reserved for royalty and the wealthy elite, bidets have become a common appliance in homes all around the world. If you find yourself wanting all of the convenience of a bidet, but without the commitment to a full installation, then you've come to the right place. The Diaper bidet sprayer attaches easily to any toilet in your home. And while traditional bidets have limited uses, the manufacturer's bidet sprayer can be used in a variety of ways, from feminine hygiene to toilet cleaning. Most notably, the manufacturer's bidet sprayer doubles as a cloth diaper cleaner, offering a stress-free way for parents to clean diapers quickly. The best diaper is a clean diaper. Cloth diapers have come a long way, but one thing that has stayed the same is the need for frequent cleaning. Parents used to be able to carve out an hour to soak, treat, and clean the diapers. But in today's world, finding an hour for laundry with little ones running around is nearly impossible. The manufacturer's handheld bidet allows you to quickly rinse cloth diapers so that they are ready for your next load of laundry. Spend more time doing what you love. Chores are an unfortunate reality of life. From sweeping and mopping, to dishes and laundry, the manufacturers spend a lot of the manufacturer's time doing things that aren't all that fun. That's why the manufacturer made installing the manufacturer's bidet sprayer kit quick and easy. In a matter of minutes, your bidet will be up and running, and so will you. Satisfaction guaranteed. The manufacturer could go on and on about why the manufacturer's bidet sprayer is great, but we'll let it speak for itself. From the convenient 5-inch hose, to the adjustable water pressure, the manufacturer's leak-free bidet is the perfect addition to your home. But if you find yourself unsatisfied for any reason, let them know. The manufacturer will replace it or issue you a full refund, guaranteed. Discover the squeaky clean difference, and add one to your cart today. Happy baby, happy home. Cloth diapers are great, but they present their own unique set of challenges. At the top of that list is the frequent cleaning. It can be difficult to carve out an hour of your day to do laundry, but with the Diaper bidet sprayer all you need is minutes. Simply spray down the diapers to avoid set-in stains and smells. They'll be good to go until you can find time to visit your laundry room. Easy to use, even easier to set up. The manufacturer knows you'll love how easy the manufacturer's bidet spray for toilet is to use, but you'll also be blown away by the ease of setup. While some products take time and handfuls of additional tools, the Diaper handheld bidet sprayer attachment for toilet comes with everything you'll need for a quick and easy installation. The leak-free difference: when you buy from Diaper, you're investing in quality. The manufacturer's reliable bidet for toilet comes with a 5-inch hose for toilet that provides more range and motion for the sprayer, and is guaranteed leak-proof. With adjustable water pressure, everyone can find a setting that works best for them. And the stainless steel design is not only sleek, but blends in with most bathroom decor. Get attached. Have you always wanted to experience the freshness and cleanliness that a bidet can offer, but never wanted to shell out the big bucks to install one in your home? Well, the Diaper bidet sprayer for toilet allows you to do just that, minus the hassle and price tag. The manufacturer's simple attachment connects directly to your toilet, providing not only a bidet, but a cloth diaper cleaner as well. Hassle-free shopping. Buying a product sight unseen can be stressful. And while the manufacturer are confident that you'll love the manufacturer's handheld bidet spray set, the manufacturer understands the uncertainty that comes with online shopping. That's why the manufacturer offers a 100% money-back guarantee. If you decide that the manufacturer's product isn't what you are looking for, just send it back for a full refund.